Hello everyone, welcome to Zero Vigyan. In this video, we will talk about NIT GATE Surthikal PhD admission for 2023-24 July session. First talking about NIT GATE Surthikal, National Institute of Technology, Karnataka, Surthikal is located in Mangalore city, Karnataka state in India. Institute was established as Karnataka Regional Engineering College, KREC, in 1960 and upgraded as NIT in 2002. Now talking about departments offering PhD programs. Chemical Engineering, Chemistry, Civil Engineering, Computer Science and Engineering, Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Electronics and Communication Engineering, School of Management, Information Technology, Mathematics and Computational Sciences, Mechanical Engineering, Metallurgical and Materials Engineering, Mining Engineering, Physics, Water Resources and Ocean Engineering. Now talking about PhD admission categories. Full-time students on Institute Scholarship, full-time sponsored students under QIP, full-time external registrants sponsored from industry or other organization including educational institution, internal registrants, sponsored institute or project staff of NITK, full-time non-sponsored or non-scholarship students. Now talking about available PhD seats under Institute Fellowship category. For open category or general 55, EWS 13, OBC NCL 35, SC 20, ST 10, person with disability PWD 7 and total 140. Now talking about eligibility criteria. Admission to a PhD program shall be open to Indian national who pass the qualifying degree in relevant field with a CGPA of at least 6 in 0 to 10 scale grading system or not less than 60% marks in aggregate, taking into account the marks score in all the subjects of the public or university examination conducted during the entire prescribed period for the qualifying degree. For SC, ST and PWD, CGPA 5.5 or 55% mark in aggregate is required. Now talking about prescribed qualifying examination. For PhD in Engineering or Technology, Master degree in relevant field. For PhD in Physics, Master degree in relevant field. For Chemistry, MSc or MTech in relevant field including M.Pharma. For PhD in Mathematics, MSc in Mathematics or MTech in relevant field or MCA. PhD in Humanities, Social Sciences and Management, Master degree in relevant field, CA along with undergraduate degree. Now talking about selection process. Selection of candidates for admission to PhD program will be based on GATE score, academic performance in the qualifying examination, written aptitude test or presentation on a research topic and interview as specified by the DRPC of the concerned departments. Candidates called for interview will have to appear for written test and or interview at their own cost. The written test and or interview will be held at NITK Surthikal offline mode. Now talking about financial assistance. Full-time research scholar admitted as full-time students on institute scholarship are eligible to fellowship of 31,000 per month for the first 2 years and 35,000 for the remaining 2 years on satisfactory progress. The research scholars have to assist in teaching and laboratory work assigned by the department and eligible for 30-day vacation leave per year. Full-time sponsored candidates may receive complete financial support including stipend, contingency grant and project expenses from the sponsoring organization. Internal registrants, institute faculty, staff or project staff are expected to work for their PhD program while fulfilling their normal duties. External registrants are expected to carry out their research work in their parent organization. They are not entitled to institute scholarship. The external candidate shall produce a sponsorship and clearance certificate from his employer and submit it along with the application. Now talking about application process. Candidates have to apply online on the official website of NITK. The hard copy of completed application form with payment receipt and copy of all necessary documents is to be sent to the mentioned address in brochure. If a candidate desires to apply to more than one course, he or she should submit separate application along with the payment receipt of application fee for each program. Now talking about application fee. For OC, OBC or EWS 500, for SC, ST and PWD 150 rupees. Now talking about important dates. Last date for online submission of application 15th May 2023 and last date for hard copy submission to NITK 19th May 2023. Last date for dispatch of call letters to shortlisted candidates and announcement in the website by the respective departments 29th May and selection test or interview in offline mode 19th June to 21st June. Last date for sending recommendation merit list by the department to the Dean 22nd June 2023. Publication of provisional selection or merit list 28th June 2023.